Look at that. You love it? What'd you put inside?
On my bed. My bed.
Cause where are you going?
Poo.
Mm-hmm. And you're sleeping over at Nana's?
Yeah, on my sleeping bag.
Yep. At their hotel?
Yeah.
You gonna be brave?
Yeah.
Have fun?
You spend down there, Papa house?
Nope, just you.
No, I made you.
Okay, let's tell everyone what happened. Okay, so as you know, my parents moved here to Utah, and as soon as they moved in, their entire sewer system has backed up and has failed. And the building company has had to dig up their entire yard, shut the power off, so they're giving them 2 free nights at a hotel. And Ashley too, because they live next door. So tonight, we're gonna go play at their pool, and Cozy is going to do a sleepover at the hotel, right? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head down there and take advantage of their hotel. Maybe we'll even stay the night. We'll see. Ah! Oh my gosh. Hurry, let's go. Yeah, let's go find our room, okay? Can you go open the door for me? Yeah, let's go find our room. Here it is. Cozy bed, unless you want to sleep with Nana. What do you think? Wow. What do you think, buddy? You like it? Wow.
I have provided.
It smells like Fruitopia in here. Are you excited?
It says hi.
Are you talking on the phone? Say hello.
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 Okay, so we just got here and we turned around and this is what we found. What are you doing in there? Are you loving this? You got a show on and you're in your bed? You crazy? Okay, so we ended up staying the night here in Salt Lake. We just got dinner and we found these amazing fountains, and I spent a lot of money at Down East, but they had a 60% off sale on everything on top of clearance. It was worth it. So we are just ending our day at the fountain. Are you ready to go to bed?
No.
Did you have so much fun?
Yeah, more.
More what?
More, but
You want more fun?
yeah, more TV.
You just want to watch your show?
Yeah, I got.
You got your bear? You tired?
Yeah.
You had a big day, huh?
Yeah.
You gonna sleep good? Hey, Dustman! Are you ready to go to bed? Night-night. Alright, we're gonna attempt to sleep together in this bed. Right there. It's gonna be us. We're gonna do it, huh? Yep, right there. going. And it's still mushed up. I'm gonna show you again while we're driving. He must be a bit worried that the rain is going to get in the car.
All the windows are down.
There are no windows. Look at the window wipers. Oh my gosh. And with the airbags deployed. Here, let them pass this. There they go.